This is Ritika Sharma, teacher of MP International School, Nayagaon, Kota. So today we are going to start a new chapter which name is Helping Others. It's your chapter 6 in English textbook. So kids, let's start a chapter, Helping Others. A gift of kindness. I arrived at Chennai Central early. My train would not depart for another 45 minutes. I took the opportunity to look after for a tailor to perform a simple repair for me. So, in this chapter, author says that when he arrived at Chennai Central early, his train would not depart for another 45 minutes और उनकी जो ट्रेन थी वो वहाँ पे रुक गई थी थोड़े टाइम के लिए. I took the opportunity to look after for a tailor to perform a simple repair for me. Across one side of the station there was a lane lined by buildings containing a variety of shops and across the side of one station के पास में a variant was there. Variant means जहाँ पे बहुत सारी shops होती हैं. A lot of kinds of many shops were there. So he goes to a shop and he says, is there a tailor in this building? I asked the man behind the counter of a bookstore. He asked to a man who was behind the counter of a bookstore that is there a tailor in this building. He pointed out the shop. Inside were three men two working at sewing machines and the third who seemed to be a proprietor or the head tailor busy cutting clothes. And he asked to a man in the book who was standing in the bookstore, and he pointed out the shop. He indicating a shop where three men were there, two working at the sewing machine, two men working at the sewing machine, and other was stitching the clothes. Like at the front of the shop, an old man sat on a stool. And shop के front में क्या था? When he arrived at a tailor shop, he saw that an old man sat on a stool. He obviously knew the tailors, but he looked too old to work, and he was thinking that who was sitting on a table. The author was thinking that he is too old to work. He was wearing a veshti. Veshti is what? A unstretchable cloth, unstretchable white cloth. The white dhoti like garment that some Indian men wear. Veshti is worn in Chennai mostly. I was wearing veshti too that day with a faded blue denim shirt. The author has also wore a veshti and with a denim shirt, blue denim shirt. The old man looked at me closely and then gave me an approving nod. And who was the old man who was sitting on a table in the tailor shop, who looked at the man closely and then he gave an approving note, like he was pleased with him. He welcomed him. He turned to the head tailor and said in Tamil, take good care of this man. He turned to a tailor and he said to the man that take good care of this man, take good care of the author. My veshti was beginning to unravel at one corner, and I asked with the tailor to turn the edges in a hem. And his veshti, the author's veshti, was torn by the side, by the corner of the fabric. It was simple task which would take one of the man at the machines only minute or two complete, and it's just a simple task for them. It's just a simple task for them, and they just took a 2 or 1 minute to stitch it. The tailor nodded and led me to a small room at back of the shop. I went in, took off my veshti and passed it to him. And what the tailor did? Tailor took him in a small room, and he took off his veshti and passed it to the men. He took the veshti and was back with it in exactly 2 minutes, and the man who was sitting on a sewing machine, who was sitting in front of a sewing machine, he just stitched the veshti and just give him in 2 minutes, in just 2 minutes. The work was meticulous, for the ham was narrow and neat, and the work was very extremely good, and the ham was narrow and neat, and the ham, the corner which was folded by them and stitched by it was narrow and neat. It was very narrow and neat, clean हो चुका था. After retying my veshti, I went back to the front of the shop. After worn the veshti again, he went back to the front of the shop. There I took my wallet out of my bag and opened it, and he just opened his wallet to give some money to the tailor, but I esteemed that the repair should cost me 5 rupees, but thought that they might ask for 10. He thought that the cost of veshti, the stitching of veshti is cost 5, but he thought that they might ask for 10 rupees. But what happened next? As I pulled out a 10 rupee note, जैसे ही उन्होंने 10 rupee note अपने wallet से निकाला, the hat tailor smiled, and he said that, and the hat tailor denied to take the money from the men. We will not take money for the work, it's only a small thing. And the hat tailor said that we won't take any money from you because it's just a small work. I insist on paying, I replied. He was insist him that you should take money and it's your work. This is how you earn your living, and you have already shown great kindness by doing the repair on the spot. And he was saying that this is how you earn, this is your living, this is your earning, you should take it. But he grinned grew broader and his tone firmer. After a little more and fro, I realized that he would not be moved. I understood the pleasure it gave this man, indeed all for man to take me this gift of service. And बहुत ज़्यादा उन्होंने insist किया, बहुत ज़्यादा author ने insist किया that he should take the money, but वो अपनी बात पे बने रहे. He wouldn't moved on his thing. I understood the pleasure, and he understood that it's just a gift from him, from the 4 men who was stitching and who was sitting on a tailor and who was sitting on a stitching machine. It's just a small gift from them. Very well, I said, but you must take something as my gift to you. उन्होंने कहा, author ने कहा that if you want take money, if you are not taking the money, I want to give you something as a gift. I reached into my bag and pulled out a small box of fresh Kaju Pista sweets I had bought for my journey, and he took the Kaju Pista sweets. The tailor took the box and raised it to his forehead as if in prayer, and the man thanked me warmly as I took my leave. And he took the Kaju pista sweets to the hat tailor, and he was very pleased, and he took it as a prayer. Then the man thanked him warmly as he took leave, and he was going there. He thanked him warmly. There are 2 traditional type of gifts in India. India में 2 types के traditional gifts होते हैं. One is gift of clothes and gift of sweets. The former signifies the interweaving of our lives, and the former signifies the former gift. The stitching of clothes, it signifies our lives. The latter represent the latter. The second thing represent a wish of prosperity and happiness. Our exchange coincidentally was both of these, and he is saying that our exchanges, उनके जो gifts थे एक दूसरे को, are coincidentally was both of these, और these और यही दोनों टाइप के उनके जो गिफ्ट्स थे. उन्होंने काइंडनेस दिखाई, एंड ही गेव हिम द ब्लेसिंग ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड हैप्पीनेस एज अ गिफ्ट. थैंक यू.